Go ahead, Ryan.
A long, long time, there's a big blue mountain. And it was green and black and blue. And it went to a big house.
Oh boy.
And it opened the door.
Oh my God.
And it ate a kid. And a cookie.
And a cookie.
And a house.
Oh.
And it was fat. In a long, long time, there was a castle with a king in there.
Yeah.
But the monster came to the castle and ate the king.
Oh baby. He ate his face?
No, the whole self.
The whole self.
And there and all of the people in the story was camping.
Wow, that's amazing.